What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, like always, guys, show your support, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you share the video. And if you happen to not subscribe, at least hit that thumbs up, guys. That way, it can help out in the YouTube algorithm, and that way, my video can get recommended so that anybody else looking at doing this modification pertaining either this video or any other of my uploads, it'll help them out. So, hit that thumbs up. That being said, guys, how's it going? We got another video, another review video. So shout out to Oxilam, this company right here. So they sent me some LED bulbs. Now, if you know the channel, I have a lot of upgrades as far as the LEDs, but there's two things that I haven't really done as far as upgrading. So I'm gonna do it for this video, give you a review, give you my feedback, and let you know about the product, and then install everything, and then we're gonna do a comparison how it used to look and how it looks now, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. But that's what I'm gonna do today's video. So, like always, guys, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. Alright, guys, so like I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to be installing some LED bulbs for my G35. Now, I do have a lot of LED upgrades on my G35, but like I had mentioned, I don't have nothing for the glove box and for the trunk light. So the 194 bulb is the bulb that I actually got. This comes in a case of 10. Now, this bulb, you can also use it for different applications, such as your side markers, your license plate lights, your trunk light, your glove box. If you have a G35 coupe, you can use it for the parking lot light. So there's a lot of different ways to use this bulb. Comes in a pack of 10. Now, if you use my promo code, you get a discount towards your purchase. But for 13, almost 14 bucks for a case of 10, that's not that bad of a deal. So big shout out to Oxilam. I'm really excited to see how it looks, because right now, if you notice, my glove box, it has that old yellowish look. So the thing I like about all LEDs, whether it's from this company or any other company, it's just like you get a brighter and clearer visibility look when it comes to getting an LED bulb. So I'm really excited to try these bulbs out. Now, customer service guys, they were on point. They reached out to me. I emailed them, and the shipment and everything came pretty quick. So customer service was good. Shipment was fast and easy. So I'm gonna give them a thumbs up on that. Now, as far as the bulb, I really like these bulbs. Now, as you can see, they're really skinny and small. So when it comes to putting them in the sockets, whether you use it for your side markers or any other application, you have a lot of clearance compared to a old-fashioned LED bulb where it's a lot bulkier. And that's what I noticed compared to a bulb like this from Amazon or eBay. You can tell the difference in size and length, so that can help out when it comes to installing a bulb. And you have a lot of clearance. So I'm really see how bright these are. So yeah, like I mentioned, it comes in a case of 10. That way you can equally use the bulbs. Being that I'm only going to use 2 bulbs, I'll still have some bulbs left over. But for that price, that's not a bad deal, guys. And the way they look, I'm really excited to try them out. So once again, big shout out to Oxilam for sending me these bulbs. Now, I have a G35 Sedan, so I don't know if this is the same as a coupe. But if you're going to replace your light in the glove box, you don't want to mess with anything in here. Everything's going to be from the under glove box. So yeah, all you really need for this is a Phillips screwdriver, or you can use anything as far as a drill with the Phillips tip. And then, being that I don't have a bowl puller, I'm going to go ahead and use some pliers with the microfiber towel. That way I don't really crush the bowl when I got to pull it out. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to install this bulb, and then we're going to do the one in the trunk, and then we'll do a comparison. Okay, guys, so to remove that bulb, you're going to have to take off this Phillips screw, this Phillips screw. You're gonna have to take off these Phillips screws, and then under here, there's another Phillips screw right there. So once you remove those, you'll be able to loosen up this whole bottom glove box and get access behind this glove box to pull out the light. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, guys. So once you have this piece removed and lowered down, you can get access to this bulb right here. So right here is the bulb that you're going to be removing right here. So in order to remove it, you just got to use it, turn it counterclockwise like this. Just like that. And you're able to loosen up the bulb. Now, to bring it out and you want to get more access, just push this little plastic piece up, just like that. That way you can bring the bulb right here. And then with your, either your lineman, like your pliers, or if you have a puller, you can just pull it out. So let's do that right now and install the new bulb. All right, guys, so got the bulb installed. Really simple, as you can see, compared to the other bulb where this is all bulky. This is, small and slim, so not that bad. Now let's test it out, see if it comes on, which it does. Pretty bright. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and uh, redo the steps that I did to remove it and install this one, and then we'll go to the trunk. All right, guys, got everything put back together. Just a little side note, guys, make sure you put this back the way it's supposed to go with the little notches right there. If you have it upside down, this won't close. But other than that, everything goes back to where it is, and everything should just snap back in. But yeah, let's check it out. All right, pretty bright, pretty bright. Now I'll do a comparison between the two bulbs at night, and we'll see how it is. But yeah, now let's go to the trunk. All right, guys, so for the one in the trunk, it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be real simple. You don't need no tools, but it might be hot because the light is on. But pretty much right here, you just pull this back, just like that, and then pull down. And there you go, your bulbs ready to pull out. But I'm gonna go ahead and use a glove or maybe a microfiber towel because this bulb's gonna be hot. Okay, got the bulb out. Got the new bulb right here. Just put it in, just like that. All right, got the bulb in, just like that. And you cover that up, and there we go. So, pretty simple install. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Easy installation. Um, I like the results so far. I know it's during the day, but I'm gonna get some footage at night, and we're gonna see how they look. But from what I see during the day, they're pretty bright. And for the size of the bulb and that output that it's putting out, I'm very satisfied compared to other bulbs that I've tried in the past. And like I said, you get a pack of 10 for that price. Plus, if you use my promo code, you get a discount. So not that bad of a deal when it comes to LED bulbs. We're gonna see how long they last and everything, but for the time being, I'm satisfied. So once again, big shout out to Oxilam for sending me some bulbs to try out. But yeah, like I said, if you have any other questions or anything, just leave a comment down below. But yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, put that thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe right down below the video. And like always, share the video. And yeah, I greatly appreciate it. But that pretty much concludes this video, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. And we'll see you on the next one. It's your boy Giovanni. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.